So today we have nice polynomial system of equations. Now I am pretty sure that you have seen these equations before and already many people have made videos on it, out of which the two most famous videos are by blackpenredpen and Mind Your Decisions. Now the method that were used by both of them didn't actually satisfy me because Mind Your Decision used a higher mathematical tool, whereas the method used by blackpenredpen was very lengthy. It was about a 40 minutes video. So what I decided is to come up with my solution, which I think is better than both of them, and after seeing the solution, what you think, you can do comment below. So the equation number 1 is x plus y plus z equals to 1. The second equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 2. And the third equation is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3. Now the question is to find the value for x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 plus z to the power 5. So this is Anmol Mishra, and now let us see the solution. How can we find the value of this particular expression? So first of all, let me tell you a thing, that in most of the question in which the direct value for some expression is asked, in which already all the variables are included, instead of finding the separate values for x, y and z and plugging in it, we should directly find the value for that expression. So our first step is to take the equation number 1 and square both of the side. So on the left hand side we have x plus y plus z, and this thing is equals to 1. I will simply square both of the side. Therefore x plus y plus z the whole square equals to 1 square. Now on the left hand side we will have x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx, and this thing is equals to 1 square, that is 1. Now you might be thinking that x plus y plus z the complete square was directly open like this way. So it's actually very simple. Here it is x plus y plus z the complete square, so it means x plus y plus z multiplied with x plus y plus z, and you can just simply open these brackets and you will reach the same final thing, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, now take a look at the second equation. It has the value for x square plus y square plus z square, and it is equals to 2, and let this be equation number 2. Okay, so over here we have the value for x square plus y square plus z square, that is equals to 2. So we'll replace this thing as 2. So 2 plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 1. Now if you will simplify this particular equation, you will get that xy plus yz plus zx is equals to negative 1 upon 2. So let me write it as important. Okay, so what we did in our first step is that we found the value for xy plus yz plus zx, and that was equals to negative 1 by 2. So now let us see a second step in which we will multiply our important equation with the equation number 1. So let us do that over here. So the left hand side of the first equation is x plus y plus z multiplied with the left hand side of our important equation, that is xy plus yz plus zx, and this thing is equals to 1 multiplied by negative 1 upon 2. This is the RHS of the first equation, and this is the RHS of our important equation. Okay, now we will open the bracket in the left hand side. Therefore x multiplied with all these three terms will give me x square y plus x yz plus zx square, plus now y multiplied with all these three terms will give me y square z plus y square x plus x y z, plus now z multiplied with all these three terms, so x y z plus y z square plus x z square, and this thing is equals to negative 1 upon 2. Now let us simplify the left hand side. So on the left hand side we can see that xyz plus xyz plus xyz becomes 3x times y times z. Now here we can see that y into x square, and the second thing we can see is y into z square. So I will take y common, and inside the bracket x square plus z square, plus now over here we have x into z square, and over here we have x into y square. So I will take x common, so inside the bracket y square plus z square, plus now over here we have zy square, and here we have zx square. So I will take z common, so inside the bracket x square plus y square, and this thing is equals to negative 1 upon 2. So now we have this particular equation. So now over here we have this particular equation. Okay, now see a second equation, that was x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 2. So from this particular equation, the value for x square plus y square is going to be equals to 2 minus z square. Similarly, the value for y square plus z square is going to be equals to 2 minus x square, And similarly, the value for x square plus z square is going to be equals to 2 minus y square. So over here we have the value for x square plus y square plus z square, and finally x square plus z square. Now as we can see, the brackets over here are x square plus z square, y square plus z square, and x square plus y square. So these brackets can be replaced with the values that we just obtained. Therefore 3xyz plus y multiplied by 2 minus y square, this was the value for this thing, plus x multiplied with, now the value for this thing was 2 minus x square, plus z multiplied with, now the value for this particular one was 2 minus z square, and this thing is negative 1 upon 2. Now let us open the brackets. So 3 times x times y times z plus 2 times y minus y cube plus 2 times x minus x cube plus 2 times z minus z cube is negative 1 upon 2. Now let us rearrange the terms in the left hand side. So 3 times xyz plus now 2y 2x 2z. So I can take 2 commons inside the bracket, x plus y plus z minus y cube minus x cube minus z cube. So I can take negative sign common. So inside the bracket, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and this thing is equals to negative 1 upon 2. Now from the equation number 1 that we were having, we have the value for x plus y plus z, that is 1. And from the equation number 3, we have the value for x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equals to 3. So finally we will have 3 times xyz, 2 into 1 2, minus 3 is equals to negative 1 by 2. So finally 3xyz would be equals to negative 1 upon 2 positive 1, that is going to be positive 1 upon 2. So finally we will have the value for xyz, that is 1 upon 6. So here we have the second important equation. Okay, now let us see the step number 3. So now in the step number 2, what I did is I multiplied my important equation with the equation number 1. Now in the step 3, I will multiply the same important equation, but this time with equation number 2. So in the step 3, I am multiplying my important equation with the equation number 2. So the left hand side of the important equation is xy plus yz plus zx multiplied with, now the left hand side of the equation number 2 is x square plus y square plus z square, and this thing is equals to, now the right hand side of our important equation is negative 1 upon 2, so negative 1 upon 2 multiplied with the right hand side of our second equation, that is 2. Remember again that the three important equations are these three. This is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2, and this one is the equation number 3, and this is the important equation. So in step 2, what we did is important equation multiplied with equation number 1. And now in our third step, we are multiplying the important equation with equation number 2. Okay. Now let us open the bracket in the left hand side. So we will have x cube y plus x y cube plus x y z square plus y z x square plus y cube z plus y z cube plus z x cube plus z x y square plus z cube x, and this thing is equals to negative 1 because 2 and 2 got to cancel out. Okay. Now let us simplify the left hand side. So here we have y into x cube, y into z cube, so I can take y, so inside the bracket x cube plus y cube as it is. Okay. Plus now here we have x into y cube, and again we have x into z cube, so I can take x common, so inside the bracket y cube plus z cube plus, now again we can see we have z into x cube, z into y cube, so z taken common, inside the bracket x cube plus y cube. Now here we have x into y into z square, here we have y into z into x square, and here we have z into x into y square. So if I take x, y, z common, so inside the bracket we will have x plus y plus z, and this thing would be equals to negative 1. Okay. Now the equation number 3 that we were having was x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3. From this particular equation, the value for x cube plus y cube would be 3 minus z cube. Again from the similar equation, y cube plus z cube would be 3 minus x cube, and from the same equation the value for x cube plus z cube would be equals to 3 minus y cube. So these three values can be just replaced in these three brackets. So y multiplied by 3 minus y cube plus x multiplied by 3 minus x cube plus z multiplied by 3 minus z cube. Okay, these three things were just replaced respectively according to this equation. Okay, plus x into y into z. Now remember that the second equation contains the value for x, y, z, that is 1 upon 6 multiplied with x plus y plus z, and this is our equation number 1, and it was already having a value 1, and this thing is equals to -1. Now let us open the bracket on the left hand side. So we will have 3 times y minus y to the power 4 plus 3 times x minus x to the power 4 plus 3 times z minus z to the power 4 plus 1 upon 6 equals to -1. Now 3 times y, 3 times x, 3 times z, I can take 3 common. So inside the bracket we will have x plus y plus z minus x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 minus z to the power 4 plus 1 upon 6 equals to -1. Now from the equation number 1 we have the value for x plus y plus z, that is equals to 1. So 3 multiplied by 1. Now this x to the power 4, y to the power 4 and z to the power 4, 3 of them are negative. So I can just take them on the other side and bring -1 from that side over here. So 3 into 1, that was this particular term, plus 1 upon 6, that is over here, plus 1 that we brought from the other side is equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4. So finally, when you will solve this particular equation, you will get the value for x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 as equals to. So when we will simplify this particular thing, we will get 18 plus 1 19 plus 6 25 upon 6. So here we have the value for x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4, and let this be equation number 4. And here it is 25 upon 6. Sometimes the question is to find the value for x4 plus y4 plus z to the power 4. Okay, so that's 25 upon 6. So this was the step number 3, in which we multiplied the important equation with equation number 2, so as to get the value for x4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 as equals to 25 upon 6. Okay, now let us see our fourth step, and in this we are going to multiply our important equation with equation number 3. You can follow the pattern like the second step we multiplied the important equation with equation number 1. In the third step we have multiplied the important equation with equation number 2. Now in the fourth step we are going to multiply the important equation with equation number 3. Okay, so the equation number 3 is x cube plus y cube plus z cube multiplied with important equation left hand side, that is xy plus yz plus zx, and this thing is equals to 3 multiplied with -1 upon 2. Right hand side of third equation, right hand side of important equation. Okay, so when we'll open the bracket on the left hand side, we'll have x to the power 4 times y plus y z x to the power 3 plus z x to the power 4 plus xy to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 times z plus x z y cube plus x y z cube plus y z to the power 4 plus x z to the power 4 plus, and this thing would be equals to -3 upon 2. Okay, so now let us rearrange the terms on the left hand side. So here we have y into x to the power 4, and here we have y into z to the power 4, and similarly we have x into z to the power 4 and x into y to the power 4, and similarly z into x to the power 4 and z into y to the power 4. So x taken common y4 plus z to the power 4 plus y taken common x to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 plus z taken common x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Now the remaining terms are x cube yz, z cube xy, and y cube zx. So I can take x, y, z common, and inside the bracket I will get x square plus y square plus z square, and this thing is -3 upon 2. Okay, now from the fourth equation that we got x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 as equals to 25 upon 6. We can get the values for this bracket, like y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 is 25 upon 6 minus x to the power 4 multiplied with x plus y. Now similarly from this fourth equation, the value for x to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 is 25 upon 6 minus y to the power 4 plus z multiplied with. Now similarly from this equation, the value for this particular bracket is 25 upon 6 minus z to the power 4 plus. From our second important equation, the value for x into y into z was 1 upon 6 multiplied with x square plus y square plus z square, that was equation number 2, and it was having a value 2, and this thing is -3 upon 2. Okay, so here so on the left hand side we'll open the bracket, so 25 upon 6 times x minus x to the power 5 plus 25 upon 6 times y minus y to the power 5 plus 25 upon 6 times z minus z to the power 5 plus 1 upon 3 is -3 upon 2. Okay, now here we can see that 25 upon 6 can be taken common from this and this term. So what we'll get inside the bracket is x plus y plus z. So 25 upon 6 taken common, inside the bracket x plus y plus z. Now the remaining term is negative x to the power 5, negative y to the power 5 and negative z to the power 5. So these three terms can be just shifted on the other side and bring the negative 3 upon 2 from other side on this side. So plus 1 upon 3 as it is, that is this particular term, and plus 3 upon 2 that we brought from other side, and this thing is x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 plus z to the power 5. Okay, this is the equation number 1 and it was having a value 1. So 25 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. By taking the LCM, so 2 multiplied over here, 3 multiplied over here. So 25 plus 2 plus 9 upon 6. And this thing is going to be equals to 27 plus 9, that's 36 upon 6, and that is 6. And this thing is the value for x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 plus z to the power 5. So here we got the answer that we were looking for. Now you may see a pattern over here, like this was the step number 4, and we multiplied the important equation with equation number 3 so as to get the value for x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 plus z to the power 5. Now similarly, the fifth step would be to multiply the important equation with equation number 4 so as to get the value for x to the power 6 plus y to the power 6 plus z to the power 6. Similarly, in the sixth step, you can multiply the important equation with equation number 5 so as to get the value for x to the power 7 plus y to the power 7 plus z to the power 7. Even the question is to find the value for this, you have to follow all the 6 steps. Why? Because in this fourth step, we open this particular bracket with the help of an equation x4 plus y4 plus z4 that we got in our third equation. Now in this third equation, we got the value for x4 plus y4 plus z4 with the help of an equation that is x into y into z, and that we got in our second step. And the value for x into y into z we got from the help of our first step. This means even you have to get the value for x7 plus y7 plus z to the power 7, you have to follow all these 6 steps. So the question was to find the value for x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 plus z to the power 5, and that we have got as 6. So this was my way to solve this particular question. If you have any other method, or else if you have any other question that you think I should try, you can email me, or else you can send it to me on my Instagram. The link is in the description.